So hi, I'm James Barnes from IT Economics. I'm here with Peter Keane, who's the EMEA Field Services responsible person, so lead.
Yes, so I look after solutions engineering for Atlassian here in EMEA, so across Europe, Middle East and Africa. We're a growing team focused on matching customer need with the various solutions and product sets that Atlassian offers. Throughout the course of later today, you'll get to talk with a number of our Atlassians here at the event.
Okay, cool, thanks. So Peter, maybe you could tell us a bit about your background, so where you started and how you came to be in Atlassian.
Happy to, yes. So I started out as a developer, going through the normal transition most developers do, ending up in business analysis when my code just couldn't cut it. So yes, a failed coder, let's call it that. And from there, obviously looking at the overall software development lifecycle, taking an interest and a passion for why we're building the things we're building, working a bit in the SDLC stuff from an agile perspective as well. So I've quite a varied set of inputs that leads me to a point where I was on a team trying to solve the agile solution for a company in the US. And one of the solutions we entertained was a product called AgileCraft. So we went on the AgileCraft journey. I liked it so much I joined the company. And then as of April 3rd last year, Atlassian just sort of swallowed us up, and now we're on this bigger journey today, which I'll be talking about through the course of this afternoon.
Okay, interesting, cool. So then, exactly that perfect segue to my next point. So apparently, because of all this, you've got a lot of experience, let's say, Scaled Agile. So for our viewers who don't know so much about it, helping organizations go from small agile footprint to very big through the whole organization. Maybe you could talk about some of the challenges you guys are facing and how that's going.
Yep, and of course I've been given some guidance on how much time to talk about it. So the short version of our slide deck. That's right, give us a short version. So a lot of the challenges organizations face is understanding what is the purpose behind Agile, or the purpose behind doing a transformation to a more agile way of working. So we in Atlassian spend a lot of time talking about the people and the practices and the tools that lead to the great outcomes that companies want to get to. And over the course of my career, I've seen various different aspects of that through where waterfall was successful in terms of structured deployments, where more volatility or uncertainty required quicker decision making and hence more of an agile mindset. So I do see that there is a place for both at the right times. And we want to be careful not to over-egg the concepts around everybody must do the agile or the scale or the transformation. So we're very much about empathy for the customer journey and figuring out what parts of our people, practices and technologies will help people get to these great outcomes.
Okay. So Peter, well then, how do you think a company like IT Economics or a solution partner can actually fit in with Atlassian to let's say, help their customers achieve their goals?
Yeah, it's an excellent question, and thank you for asking.
You're welcome.
There's a lot of ways that the approaches that you guys take to helping customers be successful fits in with the Atlassian mindset as well. As I said earlier, answering the previous question, we are very much focused on the people, the practices and the tools, and that context of I think your phrases are more than just technology fits in really well. But also it fits into the simple statement of scale. So Atlassian is, yes, a growing company, but no way do we feel we should have to solve every customer's problem ourselves. The partner ecosystem within Atlassian has been hugely successful in helping our journey to date, and we see value in all the partners contributing to the next steps of that journey. So into the ITSM space, into the Agile at Scale space, and eventually into spaces beyond that, things like business operations or BizOps. You know, there's a lot of opportunity for us to work well together.
Okay, BizOps is a new one for me.
Oh yeah, I've got loads of buzzwords, don't worry.
All right. Well, thanks a lot, Peter. That was really interesting. I don't want to take up too much of your time and wish you a
My pleasure.
fantastic day.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, thank you.